Hello, my name is Sean Ellsworth from Ellsworth Marketing. You can find my blog at ellsworthmarketing.com. I also have a website, 277websitedesign.com. This video is mainly for people who have gotten my $277 WordPress blog. Hey, if you found me and you don't have a blog and you're trying to learn how to do it, I can save you a lot of time by creating your blog for you. I create up to 5 pages. I'll provide optimized content for those pages, and I'm also providing training so that you can continue to add posts and pages to your website. If you are a customer of mine and you have just received the email that sent you over here, congratulations and thank you very much for your business. You've probably received a link from me that sends you over to your WordPress admin page. It'll look something like this. It will be your domain at, right now, it's yourdomain.croxy. This word may change as we fill up, but anyways, you'll get an updated link when we create your site. But for now, it's yourdomain.croxy.com/ this is very important, WP-admin. Okay, and what this is this gets you back to your back end so that you can manage things. Okay, what you want to send to your clients or customers or anyone that wants to know your domain, if we haven't already set up an extra domain on GoDaddy, this is what you'll give them, is yourdomain.croxy.com. They can go to your website. Okay, the /WP-admin, that is for you. All right, so that is where we are, and I've also sent you your username and password. Okay. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, and here we are inside. This is what your admin dashboard looks like. First thing that we need to talk about is the difference between pages and posts. When I set up your website, I created a number of pages. Maybe an About Us page, a Contact Us page, a Products page, Services page. Okay, it'll depend upon your business and your industry, but we set up somewhere around 5 of those probably. Okay, pages don't change. They are there. I mean, you can edit them, you can change them, but they don't change. They're static. They stay there. The page shows up in your navigation. All right, so if you have a products page, then products is going to show up as a button in your navigation. All right, so pages are important for that reason. If you have information that you don't want to change, you don't want it to move, you want it to be very visible for people to be able to come in and just click on a button, you want that information in a page. You don't want to have any more than about, it's going to depend on how your site is laid out, but 8 to 10 pages is probably the maximum. Otherwise, your navigation is going to bump it down. You're going to have 2 rows of navigation. It just kind of gets messy. Posts, on the other hand, are originally what the blogs were created for. They were originally created as an online journal. They called them a weblog, thus the name blog from weblog. And so these posts are created kind of like a journal entry, and the last post gets posted at the top of the page. All the other previous posts get bumped down. Okay, so a post is probably what you are going to be doing the most of. All right, so we're going to show you in this video how to create a post and edit a post. All right, I'm going to have a series of these different videos. I don't want to throw too much at you all at once. So today we're just going to do posts. Okay, so over here in your navigation, the top one is posts. So we're going to click on that. And then this submenu drops down and we have add new. We click here, add new, or we can click over here, add new. Doesn't matter. Add new, add a new post. Great. So you are in charge of your title and the body copy and everything else. If I haven't sent you a keyword list for your industry, please send me an email and I'll send you a mini list. A formal keyword list for me has 500 to 1,000 words. It costs $700 to $1,000, but I will give you a 1-page keyword list. It's nowhere near as comprehensive as a full one, but it'll give you some direction regarding the words that people are looking for, that there's not a lot of competition for, if you use those words, your chances of showing up in the search engines is much, much better. All right, so if I haven't already sent you one, please send me an email, and I'll work up I call it a mini keyword list for you. Okay, so we're going to say, we're going to pretend we're a dentist. Okay, so today in our post, we're going to talk about new dental technology. Okay, because I don't have a keyword list here in front of me, that's the best I can do. But you know what? I think that, well, implants are big, right? So let's add that. Dental. Okay, great. Dental implants. All right, so new dental technology, dental implants. This is the keyword that we're shooting for today. Okay, so we're going to talk about dental implants, blah, 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 and we write our article. Okay, this works fine as a word processing platform, kind of, but if you want to write it in Word or text edit or something else first to keep a record of it in your files, and then you just copy and paste it into your blog, that might be the best way to go. Bold, italic, underline, you can do lists, all right, centered, text, the whole deal. And spell check, they've got a bunch of tools here. Actually, let's see what else. Yeah. So anyway, so you can write the thing here, or you can write it someplace else. I would recommend writing it someplace else and saving a copy, and then just bringing it over here. Okay, so that's great. We have our headline, we have our post. This is really, really cool right here. Okay, publish immediately is the default setting, but you can change the date and time. Two more things real quick. We have categories and we have tags. Categories are how you organize your site. For instance, if this is a dental site, you can have one category that is dental implants. You can have another category that's all about veneers. You can have another category that's all about crowns and bridges. You can have another category that's all about dental hygiene. Have a category about whitening. Okay, so every time you make a post, you come over here and you add a new category. All right, and then the last thing we have before you finish your post is tags, and these are keywords that you have in your page. So implants and dental. Let's say you talk about insurance and if they pay or not. Okay, so insurance could be a tag. So after that, then you're gonna hit publish. And it says your post is published. Let's take a look at it. View post. Now remember, this is for real estate, okay? But there it is, right up at the top. New dental technology, dental implants, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this entry was posted in uncategorized, so this is where your category would show up. Okay, and if you had any tags, we didn't end up putting a tag in there, but if you had any tags, it would be clickable right here. Okay. So that is how you make a post. You can do all kinds of things. You can add photos, video, music. You can get in and change the HTML code if you wanted to. You do not have to, but you do have that capability. So anyways, that'll get you up and running. And if you need any information, my name's Sean Ellsworth. My website is ellsworthmarketing.com. And if you don't have one of my WordPress websites, you can get one for $277 at 277websitedesign.com. Customers, you will be getting another video in a couple days. The next one, I think, is about how to make and edit pages. So posts are the most important thing you're going to be doing. Next is pages, so that's what we're going to talk about next, and probably a little bit shorter in video, because this one had to show you how to get in here and kind of give you a basic tour. But anyways, if you have any questions, give me an email. All right, take care, everybody, and we'll see you in a few days. Bye.